Affiliate marketing. 10 lucrative ways you can make money by promoting products and services online. 1. Choose profitable niches. Start by selecting niches that are popular and have a demand for products or services. Health and wellness, personal finance, technology, and online education are some examples of lucrative niches. 2. Research affiliate programs. Look for reputable affiliate programs that offer competitive commissions. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale have a wide range of products and services you can promote. 3. Build a niche website or blog. Create a website or blog around your chosen niche. Provide valuable content that attracts your target audience and integrates affiliate links naturally into your content. 4. Utilize social media. Leverage the power of social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Share engaging content and use affiliate links strategically in your posts, bios, and stories. 5. Email marketing. Build an email list of subscribers interested in your niche. Send them valuable newsletters and promotional emails containing affiliate links. Email marketing can be incredibly lucrative. 6. Create YouTube reviews. If you're comfortable on camera, consider making product review videos on YouTube. Share your honest opinions and include affiliate links in the video description. 7. Host webinars and workshops. Showcase your expertise through webinars and workshops related to your niche. Promote affiliate products and services during these sessions. 8. Offer exclusive bonuses. Encourage people to use your affiliate links by providing exclusive bonuses or discounts. This can set you apart from other affiliates and boost your conversions. 9. Track and optimize. Use analytics tools to track the performance of your affiliate campaigns. Identify what's working and what isn't, then make adjustments to improve your results. 10. Diversify income sources. Don't rely on just one affiliate program or platform. Diversify your income sources to reduce risk and maximize your earning potential. Keep in mind that affiliate marketing success requires time and effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with perseverance and astute planning, you may create a reliable source of income. Selling photos. 10 profitable ways to sell your images and earn money. Whether you're a professional photographer or just passionate about capturing moments, there are numerous opportunities waiting for you. 1. Stock photography websites. Join stock photography platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. Upload your high-quality photos. And whenever someone downloads your image, you earn a commission. It's a great way to reach a global audience. 2. Print-on-demand services. Partner with print-on-demand companies. You can showcase your photos on various products like mugs, phone cases, or canvas prints. When someone makes a purchase, you earn a profit. 3. Photography tours and workshops. If you have expertise in a specific type of photography, consider organizing photography tours or workshops. Teach others your skills and earn money while doing what you love. 4. Freelance photography for events. Offer your services as a freelance event photographer. Capture weddings, parties, or corporate events. Your unique perspective can help people preserve their special moments, and you can make a good income. 5. Portrait photography services. Specialize in portrait photography. People are always looking for professional portraits for social media, professional profiles, or personal keepsakes. Advertise your services locally and online. 6. Create and sell photography ebooks. Share your knowledge and skills by writing ebooks about photography techniques, editing tips, or even guides to specific camera models. Sell these ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle or your website. 7. Offer photo editing services. If you're skilled in photo editing software like Photoshop, offer your services to photographers who might not have the time or expertise to edit their own work. Many professionals are willing to pay for high-quality editing. 8. Sell limited edition prints. Create a sense of exclusivity by selling limited edition prints of your best work. Sign and number each print to make them collector's items. This can attract art enthusiasts willing to pay a premium for unique pieces. 9. Photography blog or YouTube channel. Start a blog or YouTube channel dedicated to photography tips, tricks, and gear reviews. Monetize your platform through ads, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing related to photography. 10. Collaborate with local businesses. Reach out to local businesses like cafes, restaurants, or boutiques. Offer to decorate their space with your photography in exchange for a commission on any sales. It's a win-win for both parties. Bear in consideration that creating a successful photography business requires patience, commitment, and constant skill development. Social media management. Examining 10 effective methods to turn your love of social networking into a successful business. Whether you're a seasoned social media expert or just starting out, these strategies can help you thrive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. 1. Social media consulting. Offer your expertise as a social media consultant. Businesses often need guidance on how to effectively use social platforms. Provide tailored strategies and solutions to help them achieve their goals. 2. Content creation and curation. Create engaging content for your clients, including graphics, videos, and posts. Additionally, curate relevant content from various sources to keep your clients' social profiles active and interesting. 3. Social media advertising. Master the art of social media advertising on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Help businesses create targeted ad campaigns to reach specific demographics and maximize their ROI. 4. Community management. Manage online communities for businesses and engage with their audience. Respond to comments, messages, and reviews, fostering a positive online environment and building brand loyalty. 5. Analytics and reporting. Provide detailed analytics reports to your clients. Demonstrate the impact of social media efforts by tracking metrics like engagement, reach, and conversion rates. Use this data to optimize future strategies. 6. Social media workshops and training. Host workshops and training sessions to educate individuals and businesses about social media best practices. Charge a fee for your expertise and help others enhance their digital presence. 7. Social media audits. Offer social media audits to businesses. Evaluate their current social media strategies, identify areas for improvement, and provide actionable recommendations to boost their online presence. 8. Influencer partnerships. Connect businesses with influencers relevant to their niche. Negotiate partnerships and manage campaigns between influencers and brands, ensuring both parties benefit from the collaboration. 9. Social media e-commerce strategies. Help businesses integrate e-commerce into their social media platforms. Implement strategies like shoppable posts and social media exclusive offers to increase sales directly from social channels. 10. Subscription-based services. Offer subscription-based social media management services. Clients pay a monthly fee for a package that includes regular content creation, community management, and analytics reporting. Take in thoughts that the secret to success in this industry is keeping up with the most recent trends, being innovative, and providing clients with great results.